Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing for a new microphone I bought for my channel, which is the blue Snowball Eyes microphone for Mac and PC. This is a USB powered microphone, so you don't need a power cable. So let's see what's in the box and let's hear the quality of the recording as well. Let's see what's in the box. So that must be the USB you plug into your microphone and plug the other end to the PC or Mac. That's the microphone stand and an instruction paper. Let's see how the microphone looks like. Yeah, it's a very weird looking microphone. So that's what we have in the box: microphone, USB cable and a stand. The quality wise, I'm actually recording the video with this microphone, so you can hear the quality of the voice, so you can choose for yourself, is it good or not. Thank you guys, subscribe, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.